Welcome to Coding Craft. Today our topic is variables, data types, and operators in Python. When you start programming in Python, one of the first things you'll need to learn about are variables, data types, and operators. In Python, a variable is a container for a value. You can give the variable a name and assign a value to it using the equal sign. Python has several built-in data types, including integers, floating point numbers, strings, booleans, and more. Each data type has its own unique characteristics and uses. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Python has a wide range of operators, including arithmetic, comparison, logical, bitwise, and more. Let's look at some examples of how variables, data types, and operators work together in Python. I am using Jupyter Notebook for this implementation. Hashtag integer data type example. X equals 5. Y equals 2. Z equals X plus Y. Print Z. In the first example, we declare two integer variables, X and Y, and assign them the values 5 and 2, respectively. We then create a new variable, Z, and assign it the value of X plus Y, which is 7. Finally, we use the print function to output the value of Z, which is 7. Stopwatch. Move on second example. Hashtag string data type example. A equals hello. B equals world. C equals A plus plus B. Print C. In the second example, we declare two string variables, A and B, and assign them the values hello and world, respectively. We then create a new variable, C, and use the plus operator to concatenate the two strings together with a space in between. We then use the print function to output the value of C, which is hello world. Stopwatch. Move on third example. Hashtag boolean data type example. P equals true. Q equals false. R equals P and Q. Print R. In the third example, we declare two boolean variables, P and Q, and assign them the values true and false, respectively. We then create a new variable, R, and use the AND operator to perform a logical AND operation on P and Q. Since P is true and Q is false, the value of R is false. We then use the print function to output the value of R, which is false. Stopwatch. Move on last example of this session. Hashtag logical operator example. V equals true. W equals not V. Print W. In this example, we declare a boolean variable, V, and assign it the value of true. Boolean variables can only hold two values, true or false. We then create a new variable, W, and use the NOT operator to perform a logical NOT operation on V. Since V is true, the value of W is false. We then use the print function to output the value of W, which is false. As you can see, variables, data types, and operators are fundamental concepts in Python programming. By understanding how they work together, you can start writing your own Python programs and building more complex applications. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into some more advanced topics in Python programming. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. In the meantime, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!